Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to fix TikTok not showing your videos to anyone. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Here we will learn that how to fix your TikTok not showing your videos. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok account. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Now click on the right top corner on three lines. Click on setting and privacy. This type of screen. Now click on the privacy. Now you have to switch to private account. If you will switch this account to the private, no one can see your videos. If you want to show your videos to some person that follows you or you that follow back, now you can select any video, click on that video, click on next, and here you can select that who people want, who can see your videos, your followers, your friends, and only you. This is the method that how you can hide your video from other people. That's all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.